right, y'all, so first thing first, I'm gonna dye the hair to try to even the brown. Look at me. Dang, made a mess already. And work it all the way through this wig, because this wig definitely has blonde parts on it. So it's gonna be hard to mess with the camera and mess with that. So let me make sure y'all super close so y'all can see exactly what's going on. So yeah, as we get into the inside, as you can see, it's blonde. So I'm wanting to even it all out and make it dark brown, closer to, I guess, closer to what I dyed my hair, very dark brown. I'm trying to get the same results out of this dye. Right, so here we go. Everything is evenly distributed throughout the hair. So now we're just gonna wait. I'll probably give it about a good 40 minutes to make sure everything gets enough time to even out and dye. All right, y'all, so this is how we're looking so far. So that first this is day 2 actually. The first hair dye I tried did not work, and it's probably because it was a cheap Dark and Lovely hair dye. So I ended up going to Sally's and getting the Wella professional hair dye that you have to mix what I use on my own hair, and that seemed to work. So right now I'm just forming it in the way, like I think I want to do a middle part. So I've parted it down the middle, and I did leave a little bit of the highlights in it because the highlights were pretty. It was just the part that was bluish, I wanted to make sure that that was out. Oops, see? Make sure. So I let her air dry overnight, and what I'm going to do now is just straighten her out just a little bit. The hair is already straight, but it has a little frizz to it, so I just wanted to knock a little of that out. go in with my regular curling iron and get the front, curling the hair to the back. All right, y'all, so I am finally finished styling and customizing the wig. Look how pretty she came out. The quality of hair was already beautiful because it's Virgin Indian hair. I had a hard time with the dye of it because it was like bluish at the scalp, and then it was like blonde going through it. So I did keep a little bit of the natural highlights that was on it, but for the most part, I dyed it very dark brown. Custom band, it did not come on it. We sold it on it. Okay. It was sewn on. Let's see. This is funny because I don't wear wigs. Shoot. Ooh, got her on. To make sure I'm getting her behind. I love the band being sewn on because it's gonna make it sit down on my hair really, really tight. So let me fix what I just messed up. You can come on.
Oh, okay. I was just seeing if I could vacuum it.
Wait a minute. I just got one more thing to do.
All right. Oops.
All right. Thank you. There is baby hair on it, but I wanted to use my own baby hair instead. I do have on, well, you all saw that I do have on a stocking cap. What I could have done was I could have customized, because I did move the port, so I probably should have customized this a little bit more, but it doesn't bother me. But I can make it a little bit wider, make it a little bit more natural. But I think it's cute though. I think it's cute. I definitely love the way the hair feels. I just wish this particular wig was longer. It makes me want to sew some tracks in the back just to make it a lot longer, but I think it's very pretty.